Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss about the concept of switch statement in C language. The switch statement in C language is an alternate to if-else, if-ladder statement which allow us to execute multiple operations for a different possible values of a single variable called a switch variable. Switch statement in C test the value of a variable and compare it with multiple cases. Once the case match is found, a block of statements associated with that particular case is executed. Each case in a block of switch has a different name, number, which is referred to as an identifier. The value provided by the user is compared with all the cases inside the switch block until the match is found. If a case match is not found, then the default statement is executed and the control goes out of the switch block. This is a syntax of how switch case is implemented in a C program. In a switch case, the expression can be an integer expression or a character expression. Floating type expression is not allowed. And value 1, 2 up to n are the case labels which are used to identify each case individually. Remember that case label should not be same as it may create a problem while executing a program. Suppose we have two cases with the same label as 1. Then while executing the program, the case that appear first will be executed even though you want the program to execute a second case. This creates problems in the program and does not provide the desired output. And case label always end with the colon. And whenever the switch is executed, the value of test expression is compared with all the cases which we have defined inside the switch. Suppose the test expression contain value 2. This value is compared with all the cases until case whose label 2 is found in the program. As soon as case is found, the block of statements associated with that particular case is executed and control goes out of the switch. The break keyword in each case indicates the end of a particular case. If we do not put the break in each case, then even though the specific case is executed, the switch in C will continue to execute all the cases until the end is reached. This should not happen. We always have to put break keyword in each case. Break keyword will terminate the case once it is executed and the control will fall out of the switch. And the default case is optional one. Whenever the value of test expression is not matched with any of the cases inside the switch, then the default will be executed. Otherwise, it is not necessary to write default in the switch. This is the flowchart of switch statement in C language. First of all, expression is to be evaluated. If expression value match with case 1, then statement 1 is to be executed. Then break statement is encountered that exit from switch case. Otherwise, expression match with case 2 and so on. Let's see the example of switch case in C language. Inside the main function, we have declared one variable n and value 8 is assigned to it. Then apply the syntax of switch case, switch expression. Then opening curly braces indicates to the beginning of switch case and closing curly braces indicates to the end of the switch case construct. Then case 1 colon printf hello, then break statement. Similarly, define case 7 printf hi then break statement. Then define case 8, printf welcome, then break statement. And finally default block, then printf invalid case value. In this code we have declared as well as initialized the variable n with value 8. A switch constructor used to compare the value stored in the variable n and execute the block of statements associated with the match case. In this code, since the value stored in a variable n is 8, a switch will execute the case whose case label is 8. After executing the case, the control will fall out of the switch and program will be terminated with the successful result by printing the value on the output screen. Now after the execution of this code, the output is welcome. Value of n is 8 and expression match with case label 8 and the message welcome is to be printed onto the screen. The break statement is used to exit from the switch case construct. If we change the value of n is 7. Now in this case the matched case is case 7. Printf high is to be printed onto the screen, and then break statement is encountered that exit from the switch case construct. Break statement is used to stop the execution inside a switch block. It helps to terminate the switch block and break out of it. If we remove the break statement from the program, now in this case execution will continue on to the next case. All the switch cases will be executed after the matching case. Next program based on switch case statement is design a 4-function calculator with the help of switch case statement. Now first of all, inside the main function, declare two integer type variable n1 and n2 and declare one character type variable ch. First of all, with printf function, display the message enter value of n1 and n2. Then with scanf function, input the value of n1 and n2. Then after that, with printf function, display the message enter your choice. And with scanf function, input the value of ch. Now if user input a symbol plus, then addition of n1 and n2 is to be printed onto the screen. If user input a symbol minus, then subtraction of n1 and n2 is to be printed onto the screen, and so on. Now apply the syntax of switch case, switch ch and case plus character value always enclosed within single quotes, then colon printf sum of %d and %d is equal to %d. First percentage d display the value of n1, second percentage d display the value of n2, and third percentage d display the value of n1 plus n2. Then break statement is encountered that exit from the switch case construct. Similarly, define case minus. Now subtraction of percentage d and percentage d is equal to percentage d n1 comma n2 comma n1 minus n2. Then define case multiplication. Multiplication of percentage d and percentage d is equal to percentage d n1 comma n2 comma n1 into n2. Then define case for division. Division of percentage d and percentage d is equal to percentage d n1 comma n2 comma n1 divided by n2. Then finally default case printf invalid choice. Run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all input your choice. Choice is minus. Then input the value of n1 and n2. First of all, the minus operator entered by the user is stored in the ch variable, and two operands 12 and 10 are stored in variable n1 and n2. Since the operation is minus, the control of the program jump to the case minus. Subtraction of 12 and 10 is equal to 12 minus 10, that is 2. And finally the break statement terminates the switch statement. Next is the difference between switch and if-else-if ladder in C language. Switch statement execute the different cases on the basis of the value of a switch variable, but if-else-if execute the different blocks based on the condition specified. Switch can only evaluate the integer or character type expression, but if-else-if ladder can evaluate any type of expression. Switch statement is faster and easier to read for the large number of conditions, but if-else-if ladder difficult to read for the large number of conditions in C language.